Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. Now your account should be removed, so let's open Google Play Store and then click Sign In. Enter your email address and click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And now you have to scroll down and click Accept. And as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is restored. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.